Today we're going to talk about how to write an exponential equation given a situation. So our situation is, in 2013, Paul bought a new car for $25,000. Each year the car is predicted to lose approximately 12% of its value, and we want to write an equation that models situation. So one thing we want to remember is that if something is losing value, it is depreciating, meaning that our multiplier value will be less than 1. So we want to first set up our exponential equation. All exponential equations can be represented by y equals a times b to the power of x. And once again, we want to remember that a is our initial value and b represents the multiplier. According to our situation, Paul bought the new car for $25,000 in 2013. This will represent the initial value of the car. So our initial value is going to be $25,000. In order to determine the multiplier, we need to figure out how much of the initial value we keep each year. So according to this situation, the car is predicted to lose 12% of its value. Now, when we're dealing with percentages, we want to know how much we get to keep. Not necessarily how much we lose, but how much we get to keep for the car. So if we are losing 12% of the value and we started with 100% of the car, which was that $25,000, we are keeping 88% of that car's value. So our multiplier in this case, if we write 88% as a decimal, will be 0.88. Therefore, we can write our final equation as y equals 25,000 times 0.88 raised to the power of x.